We need to find a place to buy new balloons.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Welcome to my balloon shop. This is my balloons. So many balloons, let's blow them. Yellow balloon. Orange balloon. Purple balloon. Red balloon. Next one. Green color. Blue color. The balloon store is open. Balloons, balloons. I'm selling color balloons.
Ooh!
Granny, I want the balloon.
Let's go!
Ooh, first client.
Hello, we want to buy balloon.
We have balloons in any color. Green, red, blue. Take your pick. I choose red. Yeah. That will be $1. Thanks for buying. Come back again.
Huh?
What was that?
Don't worry. What color would you like?
I want green.
I want to buy a balloon too.
Okay. What again?
Oh, I have an idea. Dasha, are you ready for magic?
Oh yes. Awesome.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that's cool, but we have to solve the mystery. You little naughty hand. And don't come here again.
Wow!
We found what we need.
How can I help you?
Oh, we're looking for really big balloons.
A lot of big balloons.
Okay. This one?
No.
How about this one?
No.
Maybe this one?
No.
Well, I don't have any other balloons.
Okay, we need special balloons for our game.
A really big ones.
I think I have an idea. Oh, here.
That's just what we need.
Yeah.
That's okay. Keep going.
It's fine. Money is not a problem. That's perfect. But we need more balloons.
Yeah.
We'll be done.
Fantastic.
Unbelievable.
You've come to the right place. I have any kind of balloons. Wow. For such good clients, I have a surprise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, the popping of the balloons.
I'm gonna win.
We'll see. 3, 2, 1. It's a tie.
We are both winners.
Selling balloons, selling balloons, selling balloons. Nothing is here. I sold everything.
Good morning.
I wish I had real friends to play with. Good night, Barbie. Good night, Ken.
We became real. I can't believe we're not dolls anymore.
Eh? Huh?
Very interesting thing. Wow, Ken, look what this thing can do.
Huh?
I wonder what this is.
I don't know why, but I like it.
Wow.
Huh? Eh?
Ew, disgusting.
Achoo! My dream came true. You came alive. Let's do my morning routine. All humans brush their teeth in the morning.
Okay.
Stop, guys, you're doing this all wrong. Let me teach you. Put your toothpaste on your toothbrush. That's it. Try it. Here you go. Yes, you did it. Now do like this. Oh, you do better now. Great job, guys.
Steffi, are you up already?
Oh no, it's my daddy.
What should we do?
1 minute. I have an idea. Don't panic. Stand still and don't move.
Okay.
Daddy, come in.
Good morning. Such strange toys. Your breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Daddy. I will be down soon.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Yes, it worked.
This creature is finally gone.
What's that?
It sounds like a monster.
It's just hunger. You just need to eat. Let's go. Barbie, take a seat. Ken, take a seat. This is breakfast. People eat it every morning so they have energy. Wait a second, I will get you cereal.
Eh?
No, stop. You can't eat this. Your breakfast is ready. Bon appetit. Thank you. Let me help you. This is a spoon. It should be used for eating, like this.
Huh?
Steffi, you want strawberry?
Oh no, Grandma is coming here.
Do we have to hide?
I think so. Hi, Grandma.
Hello, Steffi. All good?
Yes. It worked. Now let's play. Have a safe trip. Come and visit me sometime. Kids grow up so fast. We've been trying to get the gumballs out for an hour. It's not working. Come on, come out, come out.
So silly, guys. You have to use a quarter.
What if I give it a good shake? Will it come out?
Of course not, Maria.
What if I press it really hard?
No way, Steffi. I'm sorry.
How do we get them out? Yeah, how?
Let's go get some quarters.
Of course, that's it. Where is the coin? I think it's here. Sorry, Stitch. Sorry, Cat. Sorry, Pikachu. Here it is. I've got the coin.
Not here. Looks not. I need a coin, not a donut. Where's the coin? I got it. Wow. It's red. I hope it works too.
Not here. No. Where could it be? Not here. A quarter! Yay! I found it! Ooh. Wait! This is for you. Thank you, Dasha. We should go now.
Look, guys, I got a red unique coin.
Ivan, you could not use the red one. You need to use this coin.
But it's the same coin, just different color. What will happen? I'll get sucked into the machine.
Stop, Gus. I want to go first.
Sure, feel free.
Oh,
Get it out.
purple color. Alex, what flavor is it? I don't know yet, but it smells yummy. I'm next.
Twist, twist, twist.
Ooh. Green color.
I hope it's very yummy.
I want to try.
Wow.
I want to try it right away. Feels like blueberry.
My turn now.
Twist, twist, twist.
Great.
They look delicious. I want to try one. I got this red coin.
Such a strange coin.
I think it'll work.
Twist, 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 twist. Where am I? What is this? Where's Ivan?
He was just standing here.
Yeah, then he disappeared.
Ivan, where are you?
Am I in a gumbo machine? No way.
Maybe he ran away and we didn't notice?
Yeah, maybe. Let's go and play then. Hey, Maria, Stephanie, I'm here. Please help me.
Wait, did you hear that?
Yes. I'm right here. Girls, come on. I'm right here. Girls, it sounds like Ivan, but very strange. Girls,
Did you hear that?
help me. I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Ivan, is that you?
I'm here. Bingo! You finally saw me.
How did you get there?
I don't know. I just put the coin, made a twist, and it just happened.
How can we help you if we don't even know how you got there?
How about you try to get the gumbo and I'll just jump out? But we don't have any coins left. Huh? Wait a second. I got a spare one.
Lucky.
It was a really bad idea.
We got the gumbo, but Ivan is still inside. I don't want it.
Okay guys, let's don't do this anymore.
Don't worry, we'll get you back. I promise.
We need to find the same red coin to get him out. Yes, the red coin. Try it. It might work. 1 minute. I've got the key.
Wow! Somebody point! I got it! The red one! Let's hope our plan will work.
Hold on, Ivan. What just happened? Maria's inside too. I have to get them out. I'm inside the gumbo machine too? Steffi, help us out!
Guys, are you okay?
You have to try a different color to undo what red coin did. Yeah! Trying to find the blue coin. I have to find the blue coin.
Where it is?
Nothing here. I need to find the blue coin. Can you open your mouth? Very strange place for a coin, but I have to hurry up. I found the blue coin. This should work. Hooray! 3, 2, 1, twist!
Thank you very much for saving us, Steffi.
I'm never going to that gumball machine again. It smells good, but it's so sticky.
I'm so happy you're back. Hello! Woohoo!
These are magical houses. You need a lot of them so they grow. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Time of magic. The houses have become so big. Good work, kids.
My house is green.
My house is pink.
My house is blue.
Girls, I have an idea. How about we play 24 hours in a cardboard house challenge?
Yeah!
So look, the challenge is easy. We need to find our color furniture and decorate our houses. My color is pink. Dasha, you have to decorate your house in green furniture. Steffi?
Blue furniture.
But girls, hurry up. There's only 10 minutes and the time starts now.
Blue. I'm looking for blue. Look at this. What a cute bathtub.
It looks good. I like it.
I could use this.
What a large room. Let's look for blue.
I see a lot of blue. So much blue here. Let's begin.
Come on, go.
Wow, a guitar.
Sounds cool. Let's take it.
Wow, a blue teddy bear.
It is so cute. And it's blue.
Wow, maracas.
So many blue instruments, Steffi.
Saxophone.
I like it.
Blue toys.
Awesome.
Wow, a blue lamp.
Super.
A blue ball. And a blue car.
Cool. I'm proud of you.
Blue batsman. And a blue elephant. Hey guys, do you know who is this? Ah, Stitch. This parrot is also blue.
This is a blue parrot era. They're very rare. You're very lucky, Steffi.
Such a huge lollipop, and it's my color.
Steffi, are you sure you want to eat it?
No, it's junk food. I will find something better.
Right. Children, junk food is very unhealthy. Let's take it with us.
Oh, this can be useful. Ooh. That's a lot of glue. I need to hurry up.
I think we have collected enough blue objects. Let's hurry.
Let's start a decoration. So soft, like a real carpet.
So cozy. Guys, do you like the house?
Let's take the blue elephant. Where should I put this car? Ah, I know.
a ball to play in the house. Good idea.
Now, guitar time. Now you will live with me.
Now we have a whole collection of blue toys and instruments. Guys, like the video if you like the house too.
Wow, balls. Perfect. It's really cool here, but I need to add something. It's an easy peasy thing to do.
Now it's my turn to look for pink objects. This is exactly what I need. Great! It will be a carpet in my house. Wow, look how many pink toys. Guys, what is your favorite color?
This pink thing might come in handy.
Like this video if you like pink more than blue.
I'm going to have the most beautiful room.
Look at me, I'm very strong.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sure you can. There is no such thing as too much pink.
No. Other plans for today.
Oh, poor. It's not your day today.
Oh no!
Let's start the decorating. Blanket first. It looks nice already, but there's something missing. I know what's missing. It looks perfect, doesn't it?
I have to find something green.
Dasha, now it's your turn. Look how many green things there are. Green glasses, what do you think?
Wow, I like it, but it's not what I need. I like this one and I take it with me.
Wow, another monster, but it's green.
It's too heavy. I have an idea. Green snake.
Don't be scared, it's not venomous. It seems like it's smiling.
Crocodile.
Yay, let's take him with us. Let's look for something else green. Green donut, let's take it too.
I got all green.
Safety first.
Okay. Decoration time.
Right, let's start from the carpet. It is so soft.
It's very cozy.
Wow, look how beautiful it turned out.
I want the same. It's a little dark in here. That's better.
Dasha, you're right. It's very comfy now.
I will add some light too.
How beautiful they turned out to be. Blue, pink, and green.
We have a nice room.
Oh, what's that? What is inside?
How do you open this box?
I don't know.
It seems to be that they're here for a reason.
What are those eyes? Oh yeah! Dasha, go grab yours.
Yeah, it fits! Okay, now it's your turn.
No.
Yes, it fits! Look at the long nails!
How about we connect our houses together?
Great idea! Hello, hello?
Hello.
Hello, hello. I can hear you.
Okay. Take Dasha's one. Hello, hello.
Hello, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Subscribe to Vania Mania Kids.
How are you doing? Good.
What about today's day? You guys having fun?
Yes, we are having fun.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
All right, now it's bedtime. Let me go and grab your book to read. Stay here. Here comes the fairy tale for my baby sharks. Oh no, where are my baby sharks? I have to find them. Let's find the sharks. It's time for shopping. First, I need to find eggs. What's next? Next is pumpkin. Where's tomato? Here it is. Next is banana. The last one is pepper. Wow, it's such a long queue.
You can go first.
Thank you.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Very strange. Excuse me, Dasha, have you seen any baby sharks? Yes, I saw them in the store. Thank you, I will leave this just in case. Thanks for the clue. I have to find them. There's nobody here. Ooh, those naughty baby sharks.
Let's eat. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Wait, what? Is that a shark with a vacuum cleaner? I should probably get some sleep.
Grandma, have you seen my baby sharks?
No, Stevie, I haven't.
Where did those sharks go? They were here. I can feel it. What's that? Is that a shark tooth? Yes, this is my first clue. I really saw a shark. What's that? Just a rope. This is my imagination.
What? Looks fun. I should join them. What are you reading?
The Cinderella story.
They will marry.
Hey, don't spoil it.
Oopsie, sorry. Hey, can I join you? That's enough exercises for me.
I can't get past that level.
Let me help you with that.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's going on here? I was worried about you. You're all supposed to be in bed. Oops.
Oops. Oops.
Oops. Oops.
Oopsie, we're just having fun.
And they lived happily ever after. This is much better. Don't make your parents worried for you.